Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Tai Chi training portion. It is Tai Chi Yin and Yang push hands with footwork. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the buttons, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So, next part, we're going to go in our mountain climbing stance with our forward and back here. So we're going to be giving and receiving. So in this, there's no resistance. We stick and we follow our opponent. So from here again, we're cross-legged in our stance, hand up, and here I'm going to take the aggressive stance. I'm moving, so this is this turn when you come around the circle. I rotate to turn out. So here I'm going to rotate, I'm going to push out, come in, and here I'm going to activate my back as I pong, and I come up to center. So now Keith is going to press me, he's going to lean in, come in, I'm yielding here, pushing back, but I'm sticking with him, rotate up and come to center. Now I move forward as I push down, rotate and come up, he comes in. And it's a nice back and forth process. No resistance, stick to each other, follow. Each has a dominant aspect of the circle. Here I'm Yang. As I stay here, now I become Yin, and I stick with my opponent.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.